How to add bookmarks in Perplexity AI. Need to save a powerful answer for later? Here's how to add bookmarks in Perplexity AI in just seconds. After you ask a question and receive your answer, look at the top right corner of the response box. You'll see a small bookmark icon. Click it, the icon will turn solid, confirming the response is now saved to your bookmarks. You can access all your bookmarks by clicking your profile icon and selecting bookmarks from the drop-down menu. This opens your collections of saved answers, perfectly organized for quick review later. What's the first thing you are going to bookmark? Let us know in the comments below. Bookmarks stay synced to your account, so they will be available across any session you are logged into. And that's how you can add bookmarks in Perplexity AI. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.